Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic. I know we all appreciate achieving a luxurious look in our homes without emptying our wallets. We all dream of stylish, magazine-worthy spaces. But sometimes our budgets have other plans. That's where the magic of IKEA comes in. I've meticulously explored their extensive catalog and handpicked 10 incredible products that punch way above their weight in terms of style and perceived value. These pieces will effortlessly elevate your home's aesthetic without putting a strain on your finances. So, if you're ready to transform your living space with some clever, budget-friendly finds, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's get started. 1. The Timeless Table Lamp, Stockholm, Älvsbyn. Kicking things off, we have a true embodiment of understated elegance, the Stockholm, Älvsbyn table lamp. This isn't your average bedside lamp. Its sleek, minimalist silhouette and high-quality materials, particularly the solid brass base featured in some variations, lend it an air of refined sophistication that rivals designer pieces. Minimalist design is not about sacrificing comfort, but instead creating spaces that foster calm and clarity while remaining practical and aesthetically pleasing. It casts a warm, inviting glow, making it ideal for a variety of settings, from a cozy living room corner to a tranquil bedroom or even a productive home office. The real kicker? It's an incredibly accessible price point. You'll often find comparable lamps with similar aesthetics at high-end boutiques for several times the cost. The Stockholm Älvsbyn perfectly illustrates how simple, well-executed design can achieve a genuinely luxurious feel. 2. The Versatile Side Table. Lack, unleashing its hidden potential. Now, I anticipate some raised eyebrows here. The Lack Table? Really? But bear with me. The Lack Table, in its basic form, is admittedly quite simple. However, its very simplicity is its greatest asset. It serves as the perfect blank canvas, ripe for a touch of DIY ingenuity. Transforming the Lack Table into a chic statement piece is surprisingly easy and immensely rewarding. A simple coat of spray paint, think a gleaming metallic gold or a sophisticated matte black, can instantly elevate its look. For a touch of opulence, consider applying marble contact paper to the top, mimicking the look of real marble at a fraction of the expense. You can even take it a step further by reupholstering the top with a luxurious fabric like sumptuous velvet or playful faux fur. The creative possibilities are practically limitless. With a dash of imagination and some elbow grease, the unassuming Lack Table can be transformed into a show-stopping piece that looks like it came with a hefty price tag. 3. The Cozy Throw Blanket. Indra, nothing quite captures the essence of luxury and comfort like a soft, plush throw blanket. IKEA's Indira throw blankets are exceptionally soft to the touch and come in a diverse range of beautiful colors and textures, allowing you to find the perfect match for your decor. They're ideal for draping over a sofa, armchair, or bed, instantly adding a layer of warmth and elegance to any space. The texture is what truly sets these blankets apart. They possess a depth and richness that belies their affordable price, giving them a distinctly premium feel. 4. The Elegant Dinnerware, Färgrika. Beautifully curated set of dinnerware has the power to transform an ordinary meal into a special occasion. The Färgrik series from IKEA presents a fantastic opportunity to create a luxurious table setting without breaking the bank. The clean lines and understated design of the Färgrik series make it incredibly versatile, seamlessly adapting to both casual gatherings and more formal dinners. The quality of the dinnerware is surprisingly impressive considering its affordability, and the overall aesthetic is one of understated elegance. 5. The Statement Mirror, Långfjäll. Mirrors are invaluable tools in interior design, capable of amplifying light and creating the illusion of spaciousness. IKEA offers a variety of affordable mirror options, but the Långfjäll deserves special recognition. Its simple yet striking design makes it a perfect addition to virtually any room. A strategically placed, generously sized mirror can instantly inject a sense of luxury and sophistication into a space, making it feel grander and more polished. 6. The Stylish Storage Solution, Brimnes series. Storage solutions don't have to be purely functional. They can also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your home. The Brimnes series from IKEA offers a range of stylish and practical storage pieces, From sleek dressers to versatile bookcases, the clean, contemporary design of the Brimness series complements a wide range of interior styles, and the price point is remarkably budget-friendly. These pieces are perfect for maintaining a well-organized and clutter-free environment, which is essential for cultivating a sense of luxury and tranquility in your home. 7. The eye-catching artwork. Posters and frames. Artwork is a fundamental element in creating a personalized and stylish home. IKEA provides a plethora of affordable posters and prints, and their frames are also very reasonably priced. Whether you choose to create a dynamic gallery wall or simply display a single, impactful piece, artwork adds personality and visual interest to your space. Never underestimate the transformative power of a well-chosen piece of art in elevating the overall ambiance of your home. 8. The luxurious textiles. Curtains and cushion covers. Textiles play a pivotal role in establishing a warm and inviting atmosphere. IKEA's selection of curtains and cushion covers offers an excellent way to introduce a touch of luxury into your home without overspending. Opt for fabrics like plush velvet, crisp linen, or elegant faux silk for a more refined and upscale feel. These subtle textile additions can make a significant difference in the overall look and feel of your space. 9. The mood lighting. Riot LED bulbs. Warm white. Lighting is paramount in setting the mood and creating a luxurious and inviting ambiance. Switching to warm white LED bulbs, such as those in the Riot series, can have a dramatic effect on the atmosphere of your home. Warm light creates a cozy and relaxing environment, which is essential for fostering a sense of luxury and comfort. Furthermore, LED bulbs are energy efficient, which is both environmentally conscious and financially savvy. 10. The finishing touches. Plants and accessories. Finally, don't overlook the importance of those all-important finishing touches. Incorporating plants, candles, and other carefully chosen decorative accessories can instantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your home. IKEA offers a diverse array of affordable plants and accessories that can inject personality and style into your space. These seemingly small details can make a world of difference in creating a luxurious and welcoming atmosphere. So there you have it, 10 affordable IKEA products that possess a surprising ability to look and feel luxurious. I trust that you've found some inspiration for transforming your home on a budget. Remember, achieving a stylish and luxurious living space doesn't necessitate spending a fortune. With a touch of creativity, some savvy shopping, and a discerning eye, you can effortlessly cultivate the look you desire without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.